But I gotta find storage for stuff. Yeah, that's the only thing.
This is our workspace, okay?
Yeah, ignore the ugly parts.
Joy has done a good job, even though she doesn't want to own up to it.
Okay, so guys, I'm so excited, but I'm nerve-excited to show y'all. It's a little messy in here, and even to show the camera, but this is, if you guys probably saw, maybe you'll see in our earlier footage, this was my closet office. So, this was my closet office, and I'm sure we'll put some footage in about that, but right now, I want to change this to a studio. So I know I kind of told you over the phone a little bit about what I wanted, and then I know you have some ideas, and I know you guys are gonna work your magic.
Yes.
I'm excited, can't wait. So if you guys, oh my gosh, whoever's watching this, if you want to turn your closet into an office space or into a studio or recording room, especially YouTubers, I know YouTubers are gonna be watching this. This dynamic team. I know they're gonna do a great job, but if you ever want to do that, like, it's possible. Like, and they've told me, they've confirmed. So I want to just show them. You see the side. I don't know if we can keep these up here, but I kind of would prefer these in this room because I don't really have another space for them. So if you can work around them, if you can't, we can figure that out. But if you can work around that, as well as
you know what you want, so
yeah,
I just try to work in what you want.
Okay.
So what about the? Is that the vision board?
Yes, they're probably just. I just kind of got stuck behind the book.
So is that something we're keeping?
No, you can take that out of here only because I don't think it'll match anything, and it's probably a little ridiculous and messed up. It needs to be redone. So that can come down out. I pretty much tried to clear the space for you guys. Like, I tried my best because there was a lot of stuff in here. And I have this bench in here for you to work with. These are like curtains and things I was doing to record my YouTube videos. And then I just have something on the wall for my affirmations. And then I took some things down and had some other notes that were like a little more private. So my affirmations, yes.
We saw something and we were like, oh, like now I'm thinking about it, that would have been good to put on there. But we can still get, you can still get it.
Okay, yeah. Listen, this is not however many days it takes. So, but it's funny because some of my affirmations open up the doors for this. It sounds so good. So yeah, then I have a little tack on this wall with some. This does not have to stay in here. But
okay, so
I heard it.
Yeah,
a tack, like literally a thumb tack. Yeah.
So put your headphones in.
Yeah. Okay. And this is so embarrassing. Like, this was blocks, guys. I did not know how bad these marks were, and I had some what do you call it? When you're trying to block out the sound panels on the wall.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the sound panels. So they kind of left marks. But all of this was usually covered, so I don't have to see it. And this is actually a coat closet. This was supposed to be mine. That's why it looks different now. But when I came in, it was like nothing in here, and I knew it was a coat closet. So that's why this bar is here. However, if you want to take the bar down, it does come down. Alright, guys. I'm so excited.
We're so excited.
We're excited. Ready to get started. Alright, guys. So we are going. I don't know. They're going to show you. I guess this is going to be one video where I kind of just step away, and me and y'all, we're going to have our. Yes. No, I mean, we have our moments because we both have our strengths, and we both have different things we do. But you guys are just gonna hopefully enjoy this one.
Yes. And we're gonna have our talks too in between.
Yeah, you guys.